Are you a licensed cosmetologist who is missing your chance to make money on that natural hair clientele that doesn't know how to do locks, but you're interested in learning? Well, professional lock installation doesn't have to be a service that you refer out to someone else. You can learn how to install locks in a way that keeps your customers returning to your chair. My name is LaTanya Watson-Woodruff, and I'm the owner-operator of Estah Locs and Haircare Salon in Orlando, Florida. I have been a licensed cosmetologist for 12 years, and I've had my braiding certificate for over 15 years. I love hair. I love teaching about hair, and my passion is natural hair. And I am ready to help you go to the next level in your career. After years of training others and being on stage, I've made the decision to start my own natural hair academy. And I am ready to share with you what has made me so successful in this industry. At the end of the class, you will be able to confidently install locks on clients that are good candidates, because not everybody's a good candidate. So again, if you are tired of watching that money walk out your door, register for my lock class. If you are ready to learn the correct ways to start locks, then register for my lock class. If you are ready to dive in and learn on live models, yes, I said live models, register for my lock class. And if you are ready to have me available to consult with when you need assistance after taking my class, register for my lock class. Register now at www.estahnaturalhairacademy.com. Remember, seats are limited, so register now, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.